I had oxtail soup. We didn't have a lot of soups around here. Being on the GAPS diet, every now and then we are really used to soups. They're just really great, easy, healthy meals. I can get a lot of bone broth in them and healthy meats and vegetables. I really like one pot meals, and especially going into fall and winter, soups are just going to be a really great staple. So for the oxtail soup, I had gotten out the oxtail from the freezer the day before, so it was all thawed out, and I got out my big stock pot. I always like to make usually a big pot of soup. I poured a little olive oil on the bottom and I heated it up and fried the oxtail. I just got it browned on both sides. You don't have to get it very cooked through, just having that little bit of browning on it will give it such a lovely flavor. Once it was all fried, I poured in several gallons of water. But again, I like to make huge batches of soup. I had half of like a gallon can of organic diced tomatoes. I poured about a quarter, so it was probably about a quart of diced tomatoes. I chopped up like 3 or 4 onions. I chopped up a bunch of garlic and I put those in there. I had a little tiny miniature cabbage in the refrigerator from our garden. It was the one and only cabbage we grew all year, but I figured this was a great way to use it. I chopped up about 10 carrots, I think. I also found another little Tupperware of diced onions in the refrigerator and I added it to the soup as well. When I make soups like this, I tend to just kind of do a fridge dump. Whatever random ingredients in the refrigerator that I can find, I will add to the soup. They were kind of leftovers from other meals. I didn't want them to go to waste, and so this is just a great way to use up leftovers and not let any of your bulk food go to waste. I also added salt, pepper, oregano, thyme, and parsley, and then I put the lid on and simmered it until the carrots were soft. Then I pulled the whole oxtail out of the soup and I picked all the little bits of meat off of it, and that was just a really great, nourishing, healthy